establishing comprehensive economic and trade relations and industrial links. In order to help our manufacturers play a greater and more critical role in global supply chains through bilateral consultations with trade partners, the BOFT endeavors to improve industrial links to gain further market access in fields such as digital trade, smart manufacturing, semiconductors, electric vehicles, green energy, and halal products. This strategy helps Taiwan build resilient supply chains and consolidate the market positions of manufacturers. As for regional relations, the BOFT has been dedicated to boosting regional prosperity through the new southbound policy with our partners in ASEAN, South Asia, New Zealand, and Australia. The BOFT's efforts involve bilateral dialogues, industrial cooperation, training of professionals, collaboration on epidemic prevention, holding the Taiwan Expo, etc. With the U.S., we are jointly exploring opportunities for cooperation on supply chains for semiconductors, EVs, personal protective equipment, etc., under the auspices of the Economics Partnership and Prosperity Dialogue and Trade and Investment Framework Agreement. With the EU, Taiwan is deepening economic and trade relations through bilateral industrial cooperation forums and economic cooperation conferences on topics of mutual concern, such as green transition and digital transformation. With Japan, we have established solid bilateral ties and expanded cooperation on energy, 5G, artificial intelligence, and digital trade topics. We assist Taiwanese enterprises in linking with Japanese counterparts to form alliances on developing Southeast Asian markets and creating win-win situations. In addition, the BOFT uses every possible opportunity to help Taiwanese enterprises find potential business in emerging markets. Particularly on the reorganization and relocation of global supply chains, as well as through the USMCA and the African Continental Free Trade Area. The Middle East and Africa encompass booming economies that are opportunities for Taiwan to actively engage with the private and public sectors.